Before the treatment, we need to draw the lines to guide you to finish the operation. And here is the forbidden area. Before the treatment, we need to use the cooling gel. This is a 4.5mm cartridge, and it's mainly for face treatment and also for neck and jawlines. This machine with more stable energy, and as you can see, the operation is faster and effective than the former design. During the treatment, we always do it from down to upside. The HIFU treatment could for facelifting, wrinkle removal, and also for double chin removal. Still from down to upside. And here is the forbidden area. During the treatment, you can check with your client the feeling and increase or reduce the energy accordingly. Still, we need to draw lines to guide the operation. The mark is a forbidden area, like temple, the top of cheekbone, and the corner of mouth. For the first time, you can also use the cartridge as a ruler to do the lines. Here, the top of cheekbone and temple and forehead is a forbidden area. Put enough cooling gel. From down to upside. How does it feel?
Is it okay?
Yes.
For the forehead treatment, you also can change the cartridge into 1.5 millimeter. Normally, we choose 4.5 millimeter cartridge first and use a 3 millimeter cartridge again. You can choose a fixed mode and a slide mode. Greatly ensures a more obvious result. We can choose a special cartridge MF 2 millimeter. It's mainly for small corner treatment, like nose around, eyes around.